A huge buildup of discarded cell phones, computers, and other household electronics. Environmentalists are worried it could turn into a toxic time bomb in the ground. Bianca Solorzano has the story.
We love our electronics, but it's a fickle affair. When something better enters the picture, we dump it. But there's growing concern that the nearly 3 billion electronics that Americans cherish now will wind up here in landfills. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, in 2005, we threw out 2.2 million tons of unwanted electronics. Most of it went into landfills. Only about 345,000 tons were recycled. That recycling number may soon improve. Electronics giant Sony recently began a nationwide recycling program.
Our goal for this program is also for every pound of product we put out in the marketplace, we want to take a pound back.
That would amount to taking back 200 million pounds of electronics. That's what Sony produced last year. The program provides free recycling for any Sony product taken to select waste management e-cycling centers. Creative Recycling has been recycling electronics for 13 years. In a matter of minutes, TVs, stereos, fax machines, and computers are shredded to pieces.
We do not want lead and other heavy metals going into the landfills or going into our environment.
And in our gotta have the latest tech world, the problem is only growing.
The rate of functional obsolescence is ever increasing, and so it's driving more and more equipment into the waste stream.
That's why University of Florida scientists have built these giant lysimeters, or simulated landfills, to find out if lead from electronics is leaking into the earth.
So we filled this one up with solid waste, garbage, and 6% electronic waste. And we packed it all in just like you pack down the garbage in a landfill with a compactor. And then we trickle in water at the very top like it's rainwater.
Then they collected the liquid samples.
So our laboratory studies that we did showed the lead leakage from these was quite significant.
The leakage was not as severe in field tests. Still, the EPA used this data to rule cathode ray tubes in TVs and colored computer monitors are considered hazardous waste.
In the next 1,000 years, what's going to happen to this lead? We don't know.
Experts believe these steps will prevent today's trash from becoming tomorrow's problem.